Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect your Stripe account to System.io. By the end, your System.io funnels and checkouts will be ready to accept payments through Stripe, all managed securely and seamlessly. Start by opening your System.io dashboard. This is the main page you see after signing in with your key stats and navigation. From here, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen where your account profile appears, usually an avatar or your initials. Hover your mouse over this profile area to open the quick menu. If you're on a smaller screen, you may need to click once to reveal it. In the menu that appears, choose Settings. This takes you to your account settings, where you control platform-level preferences. On the Settings page, find and select Payment Gateways. You'll see a list of available processors. We'll focus on Stripe for card payments. This page is also where you can return later to disconnect or review status, and your selections here typically save automatically. Inside Payment Gateways, look for Stripe. You'll see a Connect button next to it. Click Connect. System.io will now start a secure handoff to Stripe. Simply follow the on-screen procedure. Typically, Stripe asks you to sign in and confirm which Stripe account you want to connect. If your Stripe organization has multiple accounts, choose the one that matches the business you use on System.io. You may be prompted to review business details and authorize access, so System.io can create charges on your behalf. Keep the browser tab open until Stripe finishes and returns you to System.io. When the connection completes, you should land back on the Payment Gateways page with a clear indicator that Stripe is connected. If you don't see that status right away, refresh the page. A couple of quick tips: disable pop-up blockers during this flow, make sure you're using a browser profile with the correct Stripe login saved, and if the Connect button is missing, confirm that your System.io workspace permissions allow payment integrations. If the redirect stalls or doesn't load, try a modern browser and ensure cookies are enabled. That's it. Your Stripe account is now linked to System.io. From here, any checkout pages or offers you configure in System.io can route payments through Stripe using this connection. Keep your Stripe dashboard handy to monitor payouts and review transactions, and always verify that currency and business details in Stripe match what you expect for your audience. Thanks for watching and happy building.